Returning home at the end of the day, and I can't quite get my head around what this private hire taxi driver was thinking as he dealt with this meeting situation.
Move back, mate. Move back. Little word of advice this kid's about. Slow down, mate. Slow down. Slow down.